You need to suck at this game, you know that? Yeah, dude, you really suck at this. Yeah, dude, I can't help it, I suck at the game, guys. Oh my god. Hop off my god. When it comes to the dick. Hey, name it a since day one. What the? Ah! What was in there? I can't believe a parrot just showed up out of nowhere. Yep, it's me, a parrot. So, I need to do a quest for me. I'll get like $500. Okay, what's the quest? I need to beat up Patrick and SpongeBob. Oh wait, so you need to beat up Patrick and SpongeBob. Why? SpongeBob and Patrick have a their character. They were so bad over the years. They weren't that bad, but now they are really bad. Alright, so, wait, what are they with? Alright, wait, hold on, I'll call my friends, tell them. You know, I can't believe it. You literally just screwed us over. And you know what? And I don't know if that I even did. Well, sorry guys, but...
I'm with you too, buddy. 20 years, she'll be 70, and you'll have been dead for 15 years. God bless the both of you.
In the final cut, the scene ends with Peter's joke, but here's what the producers initially planned.
I'm with you too, buddy. 20 years, she'll be 70, and you'll have been dead for 15 years. God bless the both of you.
Hold up, I'll do it.
Tomorrow's going to be such a big day. We're going to fly planes.
Ow! Ow! Okay, ow! I was up sucking. Ow! At the game. Ow! What the? Ow! At the. Ow! Game. Ow! Can you drop the goalies now? God, I want to beat into like an A to dad. Fine, I'll jump. Alright, fine. I'll jump out of the coins. Alright. So, let's get with all this change, y'all. I'm using it. Wait, why do you want to put it in piggy bank? We top it all in here. Alright, you know, we all here. Wait, hold up. Let's put this in a piggy bank, you know? I mean... Wait. Good luck, you like it? These are stuck around. Wait.
Excuse me, miss. This older gentleman would like a lap dance. What am I supposed to do? Nothing. You just sit there and enjoy yourself. What do I do? I'm crying out loud. Just drink it. Give this old bastard the ride of his life. Hey, Joe, that's like right money. Oh, yes, yes. Oh! I'm having a heart attack.
I think what ended up in the final cut was one of a certain song.
No, Peter's purple friends. I think I'm just stupid idea. Now, come on. You just gotta relax and cut loose. Like Mayor West over here.
So, what's that doing?
I want to be disciplined for drinking that more.
Okay, like haircut, shave.
No, I can This is what I get for putting your toes in Susie's mouth.
Okay, these guys. God. Doing that loud in this guy. Sorry about that. Alright, we'll just put in a piggy bank, I guess. Like the piggy bank? Yeah. I gotta put that. Alright. Man, how did Devil do all this? Alright. You like him grab all these? Sorry. But I don't know. Alright. Heck yeah, baby. I think we did it. Now, you go to the address now, please? Because I actually, it kind of hurts. Alright. I think it's over there. Come on, guys. Let's go to this address. Eat. Eat. This is where you said it was at, right? Yeah. I totally said it was at. Close to the place. What the? Oh. Oh my f***ing God. So, whoa, wait, want to beat this up? Ted, you want to beat me up too, since I'm his least favorite. You're almost a favorite, but I'm not your favorite.
Looks like there's a screen on there, so
Wait, dude, I don't want. Why don't everyone beat me up for some reason? I don't know. I kind of want to.
the very end of the episode.
But still, my favorite, baby. I'll just get out of here. Alright, cool.
I did a whole video covering the American Dad and Family Guy crossover, so go watch that after you're done watching this video.
There we go. But anyway, what does we beat up Patrick with? That song of money? It's got.
I take over my father-in-law's business. It's gonna be delicious. You get swamp monsters, honey? Swamp monsters?
Myers having a yard sale. Keep your costumes
Well, wait. What is a bat?
He takes it to a karaoke night.
This is my quest. Just have you guys get out of here. Alright. Eat. Eat. Eat.
Oh my god!
Eat.
Hey, Quagmire, guess who I'm talking to?
Alright. Ow, ow, ow. What the? What the? Just sipping. Oh, sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that, baby. Hope it gets a little better soon. I was just an ad, so but it's a scam. Anyways, where was I at? Oh yeah, wait. I pay go away. My back. Alright, now get out of this time. Don't go back to squeaking part 4 happens. What only happened? Yeah. Let's go get part 5 then. Do not go over again. Call of Duty, alright? Alright, well, God. Don't hang up on us. I won't. I have to see a parrot.